Judge, this is case number JVB1055, Scott case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You all may be seated. Mrs. Scott, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, Your Honor, I am just really tired of my husband not doing things that he should be doing, such as spending quality time with me and our 17-year-old daughter.
Okay.
He's just not coming up to par, and frankly, I'm tired. I'm sick and tired of it.
All right. So you all have a 17-year-old daughter.
Yes.
And you're tired of him not spending quality time with you and your daughter.
Before we step inside this emotional courtroom battle, make sure you hit subscribe, like this video, and share it with someone who loves real courtroom drama. On this channel, we break down intense legal moments, relationship conflicts, and shocking decisions point by point, without missing details. Today's case isn't about betrayal or crime. It's about marriage, feelings, and a surprising request for child support. Stay with us as we uncover how one wife's frustration led her straight to the courtroom, and how the judge handled it. You won't want to miss the powerful lesson waiting at the end of this story.
That's right.
I can totally understand that. Now, what does that have to do with me?
Well, I want a divorce.
You want a divorce because of that? You want to put him
Well,
on child support because of that?
Yes, obviously. I mean, he is the provider of our home, and absolutely, I want child support.
He's the provider of your home and you just want to get rid of him like that?
I just feel
Because
like,
you're being petty and in your feelings?
well, I feel like we've just grown apart, and I'm just tired of him not making me happy. He doesn't take me out. We don't do fun.
Court is in session under Judge Vunderby. Mrs. Scott steps forward with frustration written all over her face. Her complaint is simple but serious. Her husband no longer spends quality time with her or their 17-year-old daughter. She says she's tired, emotionally drained, and done waiting for change. After years of marriage, she believes he is no longer meeting expectations as a partner. For her, the emotional distance feels like neglect. She doesn't just want counseling. She wants divorce, and more than that, she wants child support. The courtroom shifts instantly from confusion to tension.
Things anymore, and frankly, I'm bored.
Oh, okay. Mr. Scott, why are you boring this woman to death over here?
I'm not really sure why I'm here.
Honestly, I'm not sure why you're here either. It sounds like she's just in her feelings right now because you're not spending time with her and your 17-year-old daughter. And that's not what court is for. We don't just place people on child support because we're in our feelings.
I recently retired. I'm tired. I worked 50 years. And
Where did you retire from?
The judge pauses, clearly surprised. Divorce and child support. Because he doesn't plan date nights, Mrs. Scott insists she feels unhappy, bored, and stagnant in the marriage. She argues that relationships require effort and excitement. Without it, love fades. But the judge pushes back hard. Court is not a place for emotional reactions. Child support isn't punishment for hurt feelings. It's for parents failing their responsibilities. The judge questions whether this is truly legal grounds or simply frustration boiling over. The mood in the courtroom tightens as everyone waits for Mr. Scott to respond.
from the military.
Thank you for your service, sir.
Thank you.
This man is tired. That's why he probably doesn't want to spend quality time all the time. Can you give him a break?
Well,
And sir, can you spend some more time with your 17-year-old daughter?
When she's home, I'm more than willing to do that, but she's 17 years old.
Right.
I mean, she has a life, friends, a phone, and I'm available.
I can definitely understand that. I can definitely understand that. Mrs. Scott, let's not be petty. Don't do that. There is no reason to come to court and divorce this man.
Mr. Scott finally speaks. Recently retired after 50 years of service in the military, he admits he is tired, exhausted even. The judge thanks him for his service and quickly connects the dots. This is not neglect. This is fatigue after a lifetime of discipline and duty. He explains that his 17-year-old daughter has friends, a phone, her own life. He insists he is available whenever she needs him. The issue doesn't sound like abandonment. It sounds like miscommunication. And now the judge begins shifting the focus from blame to perspective.
And place him on child support, especially if you say he's a provider. He seems like he's a good man, retired military. He takes care of you, obviously. You look beautiful. So I don't think this is the right route that you need to go. Most people that come in this court get put on child support because they either deserve to be put on it or they were doing something they didn't have any business doing when it comes down to not taking care of their kids. So I just wouldn't want to put this man on child support just because, like I said, you're in your feelings.
Your Honor, I really don't feel like I'm in my feelings because it's important in a relationship for there to be wonderful things happening. We have to find ways to keep our relationship.
Judge Vunderby delivers a reality check. Most people placed on child support in this courtroom have failed their children. That is not what she sees here. She sees a provider, a retired military man, a husband who still cares. She warns Mrs. Scott not to weaponize the court because of temporary emotions. Divorce is serious. Child support is serious. The judge makes it clear being bored is not legal justification. The tension eases slightly, but Mrs. Scott isn't backing down. She insists relationships must grow. Standing still feels like dying to her.
Healthy and strong and moving forward. We can't just stand still and be stagnant. I mean, he's got to come up. He's got to do more.
Mr. Scott, can you assure Mrs. Scott that you're going to do more so you do not have to come in this courtroom and be placed on child support for a 17-year-old child?
I think her concern is it cannot solely be a burden for me. We have to work together.
I agree. I agree.
Yes.
You like that? I like that. That touched my heart.
The judge challenges Mr. Scott directly. Can he promise to do more? Can he step up emotionally before this frustration destroys the marriage? He agrees. He acknowledges that marriage cannot be one-sided. Effort must be mutual. That moment shifts everything. Mrs. Scott softens. She admits she still loves him. He loves her too. What started as a demand for divorce slowly transforms into a conversation about teamwork. The courtroom witnesses something rare, not punishment, but reconciliation. The judge sees it clearly. This case does not belong on a child support docket.
I do love him.
Okay, and he loves you too. So, can I go ahead and dismiss this case and put people on child support that need to be on here?
Yes.
Thank you. If there's nothing further, you all are dismissed, and good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
With clarity and calm authority, Judge Vunderby dismisses the case. No divorce, no child support. Instead, a warning against letting emotions dictate legal decisions. The couple leaves with another chance, not because the law forced it, but because communication reopened. This courtroom moment reminds us that not every conflict needs a judge. Some need honesty and effort. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure you subscribe for more real courtroom stories. For brand sponsorship inquiries, contact ARHABSHAHID8 at gmail.com. Until next time, Stay informed, stay aware, and we'll see you in the next case.